Okay, next is the TN. I really love this magnetic holder. So what I'm gonna do is make something that goes right here. I was thinking that if I just stuck one of these to here and then put a die cut on it or words or something. That's the one thing I miss. I like need to find out how do I get more like word sentiments, because I love like these words here. I need to figure out what kit. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Let's do February. Perfect. And then we'll stick some other stuff with it. Gonna have to go through my stickers. Sorry, hold on a second. Hat. I like that. There we go. All right, next we need, I don't know if I have any, I think I used all the neutral ones up. So, oh, I've got this. And I could use it for my trackers or something. So this is the back of the card. I have a, and bear with me, you guys can see this. This is going to be like where I have all of the kits I get from Cocoa Daisy. So, and then on the back side, I'll write what I did with it or have pictures. I just haven't done it yet. But so here's Wonderland, and it's this top part that was over here. So I don't like this white on this tan. I'm gonna see if there's any more that I missed. Okay, we have all of these leftover sticky notes. And just make our own tab. Let me go get my tab punch. Holding my breath. Yay! Perfect. Let's do this here, on here. Oh my God, it fits! Look at that, it's perfect. And then it has like a little pop of color on the front. So what I wanna do here is, I know, I'm like using this entire pad of sticky notes, but I love it. I love, love, love these sticky notes. I'm going to put like a mini calendar on here. Starting to run out of juice. Okay, now I know what I'm doing. Okay, so we have Sunday, skip, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So let's do this one for Valentine's Day. And let's do the same color, different color for leap year. So this is the stamp set that was in our kit last month. That would be January. Best stamp set ever. There we go. And I use a rag and I just wipe it off real quick because I ain't got no time for that. So then this will go right here. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so much joy out of this. You guys have no idea. Like, pop a color when you open it. Boop. There you go. So there's this month. And I want this to be on my desk like this. So that's why I'm not including it, because I think it's really cute. And this is another video I'll do. I'll try to link it below or up top so you can see how I did that real quick. All right, I'm not using these again, I swear. I want to see what it looks like with the front cover, because sometimes that makes a huge difference. I also need to staple this guy together. I haven't put the tabs for the weeks that I did do this month where I have all of my grocery lists. So this goes here and this goes here. Oh, look at that, spot on. I'm really liking how neutral this is, very much so. I can't tell you how neutral I'm feeling today. Okay, maybe it's because I'm sick. That's probably why. All right, we just need a little bit more fun. I know this is, oh, wouldn't that be cute if I just had one little pop of color? I know, I told you I wasn't gonna. But that looks kind of cute, actually. And put that back in here with the bow. Oh, this one, that's one. Okay, I should make like a pocket for all my mini stickers. Oh, I could do it with the acetate. It would fit. Oh, snap. I've been wanting to do something with the acetate and I just couldn't put my finger on it. But now I got my finger on it. Perfect. Then, okay, I have dimensional tape. So it literally is tape, but it gives it a little bit of dimension, which is absolutely perfect in this instance because of the stickers. I'm not a huge fan of how big I made it, but it's fine. I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and chop off that. A little sticker holder. And then it'll fit in here. Or actually, it should fit in here. There we go. Okay, this one goes on this string. And this one goes on this string. Okay, we're gonna make a filler because I really like I literally have used every single scrap of paper. That looks pretty fun on the other side. I'm going to trim this down. This goes here. Love this cover. Love that I can see this whole thing. And then I haven't set this up yet, but I will be doing that in another video. The only thing I have is this tab here. And yes, I know it's upside down. And then this looks great. I'm really excited about this. And I love how simple this is. And there's my year calendar. Those look great together. And here's the back cover. And I'm really excited about my little sticker holder. This is so fun. I'll put my little ones in there too. And I put it in this and there's no way they're coming out and they're easy to grab. Perfect. My little notebook and then have my pen right there. Super excited. I hope you guys enjoy and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.